Hey, what's up guys? Josh here, and I'm going to get right to the point on how to sync dual system audio, so multiple video clips, multiple audio clips together in Premiere Pro. And there's a couple different ways you can do it depending on your situation. Now let's say that you have multiple clips here, and we're just going to drag them onto a new timeline. So we have 3 video clips and we have 2 audio clips. All right, and these are all from the same production, so these should all sync up perfectly. But unfortunately, we can't just select them all and sync them. You can see that the synchronize is actually grayed out. So what we need to do is we need to put these all on separate tracks, which I know is extremely annoying, but just for the sake of demonstration, let's go ahead and try it. I'm going to hit Command or Control A for all, and then synchronize is now selectable, and we're just going to say mix down, hit OK. Now, you might be saying, oh, well, that's all fine and good, but I have tons of video clips, tons of audio clips. This just isn't practical to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete that whole sequence. And now over here in our project window, we're going to select all of our video clips and all of our audio clips, right click, go to create multi-camera source sequence. And I'm going to leave all of this as is, just for this demonstration. Audio track channel, I'm going to do mix down again and hit OK. And now we have a multicam sequence. Now, if we double click on that, you'll see that it just opens inside of our source monitor. And if you are wanting to edit this outside of the multicam sequence window, that's not terribly helpful. So we're going to right click on that sequence and we're going to go down to Open in Timeline. And there you have your synced clips. So it did all of the work for you. Now, I know hindsight is 2020, but if you're able to record with timecode, so you can do timecode sync in post, it's just going to make your life a whole lot easier. But this is going to be the easiest way to sync those via waveform inside of Premiere Pro. Just make sure you get that scratch audio. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future tips and tricks inside of Adobe Premiere Pro or Photoshop. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.